Hey guys, it's Elliot with Empirical 360, and today I'm going to show you a little trick in Google to find out if you have any issues with your ads, things like misrepresentation policies or trademarks in your ads. Pretty much, if there's an issue with your ads, this is a nice little tool to have a quick overview. So we'll dive right in here. This is a long PowerPoint. I'm just kidding, this is actually the only slide. Google Ads Policy Manager. This is where you can go to see if there's any issues with your ads. So we'll dive right in here. Here's the Google Ads interface, and this is our account. If you go up to Tools and Settings and you click Policy Manager, you'll come up with this screen. And if there's nothing here, it means you're doing a good job and there's no problems with your ads. But this is our actual account for our own business, and there's some issues here. So you can see destination is not working. So this may be a landing page that I just killed where it's no longer in use. And there's 16 ads that have this issue. So if I wanted to, I can go in here, view those ads, and then find out what's wrong and fix them. Unavailable video. This must be a YouTube ad that I took down the video for. So there's one disapproved there. Unidentified business, you could view that. And then trademarks. This is pretty common, especially for us in the insurance industry. If you're using things like company names, or if you're advertising in the auto industry and you're using the word like Ford in your ad. So if you have trademarks in here, which I believe the trademarks I'm infringing on is the word Google, and they don't like that. So you can just click here, view ads, and then it'll show the ads and the campaigns for what's going on here. So I'm actually using the word Home Advisor. So there's the trademark that I'm infringing upon, and that's why those are paused. So that's just a quick trick to find out what's wrong with your ads. If you have any questions, please email us or go to our website and contact us. Thanks.